Hey guys, this is the virtual tour for 375 Dorchester Street, unit number 2. As you can see, all brand new gut renovations, stainless steel appliances, central air, huge kitchen bar, tons of natural light as you guys can tell in the video, a nice living room space. Also, we got some recessed lighting here, which is awesome. Then we're going to our in-unit laundry, all automatic light sensors. This current group that we have is a couple, so they turned the first bedroom into a massive office slash walk-in closet. Again, guys, this is all brand new gut renovation. So that's the first bedroom, and then here's a brand new bathroom. Nice vanity, nice tile. This is the first bathroom. Then we're going to the master suite. The first closet, it's a utility closet, so you guys won't be using that. But here's an awesome closet. This is probably my favorite bathroom. Huge ceilings in this unit, so it just makes it feel even bigger than it already is. Huge bedroom. Tons of space for you guys here. And then to top it off, we have a little porch.